30-minute trip around the inside perimeter of Greenfield Village. We will be making 2 stops along the way, one at our Susquehanna station and the second at Smith Creek before we return here to Firestone Station. Now, Greenfield Village covers about 80 acres of land. We have nearly 100 buildings here in the village. Many of them are open for you to go through, and we also have presenters in many of the buildings as well, and we will be happy to talk with you about the building and the people who lived in them or worked in them. Now, Greenfield Village has 7 historic districts, and we're entering the first historic district. Right now, this is the Henry Ford Model T District. And this white farmhouse is the birthplace of Henry Ford. He was born in an upstairs bedroom on July 30th of 1863. Now, originally this farmhouse was located about 2 miles away from where we are here at Ford Road and Greenfield Road. And it was about a 140-acre farm initially. And while Henry Ford was born on the farm and raised on the farm, he did not enjoy farm work. In fact, at the age of 16, he wound up leaving the farm to work in the machine shops in Detroit. Now, the past farmhouse you can see on Main Street, where we have such buildings as the Wright Brothers Home. There's also Mrs. Farmer's house and the House Building, where they developed some of those 57 varieties. And further down Main Street is our 1913 commercial film in Carousel. Right now we're coming into the Thomas Edison and Work District, and you can see a statue of Thomas Edison on the left-hand side. He's seated over there, and he's probably thinking about what his next invention might be. In fact, many of his inventions were actually developed in this large gray building. This is the Menlo Park Laboratory. That's where he developed the incandescent light bulb along with the phonograph and many other inventions. In fact, during his lifetime, Edison accumulated 1,093 U.S. patents for his inventions. Now, originally the Menlo Park Laboratory was located in New Jersey. Henry Ford was able to convince Thomas Edison about moving it over here to Greenfield Village. But Thomas Edison said, "You can do it as long as you put it on New Jersey soil." So Henry Ford got 7 railroad cars, loaded them up with soil from New Jersey, spread them on the ground, and that's where the Menlo Park Laboratory is now standing. And to our left is the Fort Myers Laboratory. This is where Edison continued to do research while living in Florida. One of the things he was trying to do there was find a substitute source for natural rubber. And we're now coming into the Porches and Parlors District. The gateway to the district is this Ackley Covered Bridge. Built in 1832, it was located in southwest Pennsylvania, where it went under the Wheeling Bridge. Now, Porches and Parlors features a number of homes that individuals have lived in over the years. And some of these people have been rather well known, such as Noah Webster, William McKinley, and Stephen Foster. But not others have been not so well known, but they all give us some ideas about the lifestyles and traditions of the people who lived in them. Now, the oldest building here is the Craftsman's Cottage. It's that limestone building at the top of the hill. That was built in 1620 in England. And we're now coming into the Susquehanna station. We'll be stopping here for 4 minutes. We'll exit up like that.
We're going to stop here.
The train sounds as locomotive.
We're getting
sounds
off.
as a whistle.